Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2017 through 2020 Genesis G80 with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in black or silver, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track which runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track, which is where the tower is connected. Alongside that track are measurement numbers. Those numbers are referenced in the instruction sheet with the pad and clip sets in order to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments to get the perfect custom fit to the vehicle. Let's take a look at some of those adjustments by first pulling off this outer cover. You'll notice there's 3 dots. They're on both sides. You just squeeze on those and pull backward on the cover, and that will expose the interior of the tower. First, we'll look at the bar connection by pulling back on this cover, and then we can look on the underside here, and by doing that, we've exposed the fastener that tightens the tower to the bar. That fastener also has 3 adjustments for pitch, which allows for the bar to be angled to have the optimum angle on the roof for the vehicle. Now, also on the underside is a separate adjustment, which is for the toe of the pad and clip set. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that using the tool that's included with the towers. So first we'll just loosen that fastener, and with that loose, we can adjust this in 3 different positions, and that is to get the pad and clip assembly to match the door frame for the particular vehicle. Now, when we tighten this fastener, the handle on this tool, it clicks, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. And this is the tool that's used for all these tower fasteners. Now, that panel that's on the inside, I'm going to close it, and you can see it restricts access to that fastener here. Okay, now on the inside of the tower, we have another fastener. This one is the adjustment to bring the clip set against the door frame. And underneath this hatch, there's this fastener, and that one pulls the clip set upward against the door frame. Now the clip itself, it is a steel clip with a powder coat black finish. On the underside is a rubber pad to protect the finish on the door frame and also provide grip. Now here we have a pivoting pad assembly, and that is also a rubber that's contoured to match the roof line, and it pivots for a custom fit. Now let's go ahead and put the cover back into place by connecting at the bottom, and then it snaps on. This plastic plug, that can be replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for same key system. So these are sold separately in match sets. So you can have all 4 of your towers and any other SKS compatible product all key matched. These cylinders and keys are sold separately in match sets. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.